Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Now here are 12 reasons why Attorney General Jeff Sessions should be removed from office now. Now in yesterday's video, when I shared about Sessions firing McCabe, I asked you guys, I said, can we finally trust Jeff Sessions? Is he finally coming around? And pretty much, the responses that I did get, overwhelmingly, pretty much everyone is still for Sessions to be fired. And I think I'm going to have to agree, because yes, he might have fired McCabe, but he probably will never prosecute McCabe. So it's one thing to fire somebody, it's another thing to actually make them pay for their corruption and the laws that they broke. And I'm starting to believe, just like most of you guys, that Jeff Sessions is just embedded with the deep state, and he just needs to go. So here are 12 reasons why Sessions should be fired. Now, he's definitely arguably the worst attorney general in U.S. history. He has allowed the Mueller witch hunt to flourish. I mean, many Obama and Clinton crimes have gone unabated. No one could have predicted that the Department of Justice would be in this state of affairs after a year of President Trump in office. So here are those 12 reasons why Jeff Sessions needs to go. Now, 1. After accepting the Attorney General job, the next day Sessions recused himself from everything Russia and turned over the U.S. AG office to the deep state. Now, we know that the law he quoted to recuse himself was the wrong law and was provided by the Obama attorneys. Now, 2, corrupt and criminal Rod Rosenstein is now running for the AG office, not Sessions. Rosenstein is connected to the Uranium One scandal. When asked, Sessions stated to Congress that Assistant Attorney General Rosenstein can investigate himself in a Uranium One criminal probe. Now, just another interesting fact to add in onto that. I found out from another subscriber, and I can't remember who, so I apologize, but apparently Rod Rosenstein's wife works for Clinton's lawyers, or for a lawyer who represents the deep state, essentially. So that's another interesting fact to throw in there. Now, number 3, it took Sessions months to fire FBI criminal Andrew McCabe. Finally, on Friday evening, McCabe should have been fired months ago. Maybe he wasn't fired sooner because McCabe threatened to take others down with him, but who knows. Now, 4, corrupt and criminal Peter Strzok and Lisa Page are still employed by the FBI. I mean, we've all seen the text. They have numerous text messages that show criminal and corrupt actions related to the Hillary email scandal, FISA abuse, and Mueller investigations. Now, most recently, texts were uncovered by Congress that show they had a relationship with the FISA court judge who sentenced General Flynn and later was recused. Now, they should not be employed. They should be in jail. Now, 5. Robert Mueller's criminal and corrupt witch hunt is still in place. It was created on a lie and still in place after millions of wasted taxpayer money. Now, the Mueller investigation is criminal, but Sessions won't shut it down. Mueller is best friends with the former FBI Director James Comey, and he won't recuse himself. This investigation is a complete farce. Now, 6. Mueller's entire team is made up of the likes of Strzok and Page. It's a witch hunt. The entire team is corrupt. Is corrupt and criminal. They all should be in jail. Now, Hillary is still, number 7, Hillary is still walking around in India, no less. Her email fiasco was criminal. Much evidence shows that she was let go before even being interviewed. Now, she destroyed evidence and obstructed justice, but yet she walks free. No investigation from Attorney General Sessions to date covering the criminal Clintons. Number 8 is Uranium One, and the sale of 20% of the U.S. uranium is yet to be investigated by Sessions. Now, this is the real Russia collusion, and Sessions won't even touch it. 9. Joe Biden and John Kerry are embroiled in another Obama-Clinton-related pay scheme with China, yet Sessions is nowhere to be found. Number 10, James Clapper, the former disgraced NSA director, was allowed to walk this past week after lying under oath to Congress due to the statutes of limitations running out. Now, his lying was depicted in the movie Snowden. Number 11, the IRS scandal under Obama involved Mueller, and yet Sessions has done nothing to address turning the other way rather than seeking justice. Number 12, every day the DOJ and FBI are delaying evidence being requested by Congress or Judicial Watch. Names are redacted for no reason other than to cover up the deep state crimes. Now, Sessions allows this, and his actions arguably show he is behind it. Now, the country and the president deserve justice and a strong attorney general. Jeff Sessions is just simply the opposite and embedded, I truly now believe, even after the firing of McCabe, with the deep state. His actions are abysmal and non-existent. America needs justice now. Jeff Sessions must go. So be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me how you feel about this report. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Let's make America great again. Peace.